In this video, we're going to cover education and certifications. We're still using Alan's resume as we've been using for the past handful of videos. Thank you, Alan, for permission to use your resume in these videos. I'm going to scroll down to the education section. So this is an education section. I like the look of this education section. It's very clean, very simple. There's not a lot of information. We have the name of the most recent university, the type of degree, what the degree is, and the year of graduation. We've done the same thing for the earlier school and the earlier degree. There's not a lot of information here, and I think it's easy to digest, and it's a pretty clean education section. Now, you're going to want to do different things depending on how recently you've graduated. Like if you just graduated from college, and let's say you don't have a lot of work experience, you might actually find yourself maybe putting the education section at the top, and you can talk about a lot of the different programs you're involved in and the different things that you led on campus. But if you've been out of school for maybe a year or two, I'd recommend having an education section at the bottom that's clean, it's simple, and it's easy to digest. Now, if high school is your most recent education, feel free to put high school down. But if high school is not your most recent education, so if you have college experience, I'd take high school off. You might also have a situation where, for whatever reason, let's say, let's use that same example. Let's say that you have a high school degree, but you want to showcase something different. One thing you can do is you can replace your education section. So instead of putting your high school down, what you can do is you can get some certifications and then replace your education section with a certification section. So that's something you can do as well. So for example, let's say, I'm going to throw out an idea here. So let's say that you're wanting to do project management, and let's say that your highest education is high school, but you've gone ahead and you've done some serious work on getting your certifications for project management put together, like your CAPM and your PMP. Then go ahead and replace your education section with your certification section, and that'll look really solid, and it'll also showcase the certification as your education that's applicable to what you're doing. And so that's one thing you can do. If you do have certifications in addition to your education section, one thing that I've been doing is underneath the skills on the left-hand side, above the contact information, I'll have a section for certifications. And apart from what I do for education, which is usually school first, then degree, for certifications, I'm putting degree, then school. So here you can see advanced social media strategy, and then it has a school listed, Hootsuite platform certification. This is the way that I do it. It's something that acknowledges the certifications, but puts them off a little bit to the side and has your more traditional either high school or your college education here. So that's a couple things on education. Alan is one of a handful of people who has been taking advantage of the free resume help and career coaching that I've been offering recently. If you need help with your resume, or if you're looking for career coaching, leave a comment on the video and I'll follow up. This resume was used with permission by Alan. Thank you, Alan. We're going to have one more video featuring Alan's resume before we start doing different videos with different resumes. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.